VOLBIV is an offshoot of cross-country paragliding, where you take your camping gear with you, so you can spend a night or two in the mountains. It's something uniquely suited to paragliders, because with our low speed and precise control, we can land almost anywhere, especially high up on sloping terrain. I do it to be able to explore the wilderness in a better way. Here in the Black Mountains in Wales, we usually fly fast along the outer ridgeline, or fly away from it when aiming for maximum distance. But there's a special joy to be found in slowing down and exploring the lines not normally flown. The feeling of flying comes from where your mind is taken. When I focus on finding the best lift and just sharing the sky with friends, I'm liberated from any concerns about my flying performance. The distance is irrelevant. It's all about getting high. With the extra weight in my backpack, it's best to avoid landing while the sky is working. But all good things come to an end, and the VOLBIV pilot is always planning ahead. Camping time, and tonight we're over there. There are many ways to do this, but over the years I've developed a simple system of shelter and sustenance that covers the basics and keeps me in my happy place. Oh goodness, we've got a rocket ship going there. Tea's ready. Cheers. Now that's a cup of tea. It was so cool to just fly around the course, and then I either made the course or I bombed out and had a bivouac. Well, I think I scored because I didn't really want to stay at the car park tonight. And this place is just magic. I just love camping and the solitude. And this will be a special place. I'll always remember this little VOLBIV campsite. I'll never forget it. So that's partly why I do this. You know, it's these little magic places, and you get them at a magic time. You know, at the end of the day, it would be good to land next to a restaurant, but we've got mashed potato. Beggars can't be choosers. Instant mashed potato. Nah, you still got to cook it. That's the kind of thing you want. Just chuck it in and poof, turns into food. Of a sort. Right, I don't know what we're going to do about vegetables. Some grass, perhaps? We've got fruit at least. Let's tuck in. You knew I was going to say that. It always tastes good. If you're hungry and tired, this kind of food is wonderful. Don't make it for your wife. I'm going to sit up there and watch the sunset. Hopefully I can catch that for you before the battery dies. It's a good feeling to be independent and to have this kind of freedom. Hey, good morning. Hey, look, little pony friends. A VOLBIV adventure is not a race. It's all about being in a place, experiencing the cycles of nature, waiting for the passage of time to slow down, and being able to enjoy the calmness without needing distractions. Then I can explore the mountains from a new perspective. VOLBIV is all about following a path to find your truth and discovering that you can overcome the obstacles. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more like this. If you'd like to learn more about this kind of flying, continue the series on my website, where I go into technical details of setting up your camp, finding a takeoff site on your own, and escaping from the tricky kinds of places you'll probably get yourself into if you follow me. Be brave and let me take your flying to the next level.